For today's recipe, we will be making a Sri Lankan Malay pickle, also known as Malay achcharu. You will need the following ingredients: 500 grams of red shallots, 350 grams of dates. This is about 1.5 cup of dates. To prepare the dates for the Malay achcharu, you will need to remove the seeds. 100 grams of green chillies, 1 tablespoon of finely ground mustard powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 and 1/4 cup of natural coconut vinegar. You can substitute the coconut vinegar with any type of white vinegar, and salt to season. To make the Malay pickle, you will need to clean the shallots. To clean them and remove the skin, soak them in a bowl of water for 15 minutes. Once this is done, you can remove the skin as you do a normal onion. To make the Malay pickle, first you need to make the pickling sauce. Into a cooking pan, pour in the vinegar, followed by chili powder, mustard powder, and sugar. If you are unable to find the mustard powder, simply make your own by grinding or pounding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add the ginger and let the vinegar paste simmer over low fire until the sugar dissolves. Season with salt and cook for 5 to 8 minutes over low fire. Now remove the vinegar from the fire. Transfer the pickling sauce to a large bowl to cool and assemble the Malay pickle. Once the pickling sauce is cool, add the shallots, green chillies and the dates. Combine the shallots, green chillies and the dates with the sweet and spicy pickling sauce. Cover and set aside. Stir the Malay pickle every 2 hours with a wooden spoon. For the Malay pickle to reach its perfect consistency, leave it in a cool place in your kitchen pantry. Also, for best results, do not consume for 24 hours. This will allow the dates to dissolve and the shallots and the green chillies to soak in the pickling flavors. Once the Malay achcharu is ready, store in an airtight glass bottle and refrigerate. And this is the Sri Lankan Malay achcharu. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. You can always contact me through commenting here or my blog islandsmile.org. I'll see you again with another great recipe soon.